Hello my beautiful people, today I'm going to show you how you can make money online very easy using this new AI that is trending, which is called DeepSeek. Yes, so there is a new AI in town called DeepSeek and it's very trending and it's very popular. So today I'm going to show you how you can write articles with DeepSeek and make tens of thousands of money online using this new AI tool. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is to come to ChatGPT. Okay, so here I'm going to put in the prompt here, then we are going to copy the prompt from here, then we're going to paste in DeepSeek to get our article generated. Then from there we are going to share the article and make money. That's it. That's what we are going to do here. So if you want to make money, I suggest you stick through and watch this video to the end so that you will know the step by step of how I'm going to do this, so that you can also do it and make money online. So first, I'll also leave a prompt in the description so that you can use to create your article. And this prompt is expensive, but I'm sharing it free, so make sure you get the prompt from the description so that you can also get a very good article with the prompt and make money. Okay, so if I come to my Google documents here, I have my prompt here. So this is my prompt. This is the prompt that I've created. I used to write most of my articles. Yes, you can use literally any writing AI that you want. You can use this prompt to create your article from there. Okay, but today we are going to use this prompt in DeepSeek and we are going to see how the articles are going to come out. Okay, so this is the prompt. The prompt says, I want you to act as an expert SEO copywriter with a deep understanding of optimizing content for search engine while ensuring the reader's experience is engaging and informative. Okay, so I can't read everything from head to toe, so I'll leave the prompt in the description as I said earlier. So the first thing you have to do is to copy this prompt from here. Okay, so you copy the prompt, then we paste it into ChatGPT. Remember, we are not going to use ChatGPT to write that. We are just putting it here so that we can fill in some form, put in some fillings here so that we can generate an article with it. So the next thing we are going to do is to come to perplexity.ai. But before we come there, let's go and search for the topic we want to write about. So with that, we are going to use Google Trends. Yes, so when you come to Google Trends, then you come to trending now. What is trending now? Articles or things that are trending on the internet now, on Google now. That's what we are interested in. So you can select your location from any country that you want. So as you can see, I'm in Ghana now, and these are the things or articles or post or something that is trending now on Google right now. As you can see, 17 hours ago, Barcelona and Atlanta is trending, and if you see the insight here, as you can see, it's very trending. You can write an article or a blog about that. If you scroll down, you're going to see more, but currently this is the ones that are in greens and the ones that are active. But as for me, I'm going to choose the United States here. I'm going to change my location and search for the United States. So United States here. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Instead of and I made it N. So United. Okay, so United States here. Then here I'm going to go to all regions. So when I come to all regions now, before we write the article, you have to have a category that you are going to put our article in. So for me, I'm going to choose the business and finance. You can choose anything from here. You can choose the entertainment, you can choose the food, you can choose the games, you can choose the health, you can choose hobbies, you can choose jobs and education, you can choose other politics, everything that you want to write about. You can choose the technology, but for me, I'm going to choose the what we call the business and finance here. Okay, so if I come to business and finance here, in the past 2 hours is what are trending here. My MSFT stock is trending 15 hours ago. IBM stock is trending. 6 hours ago, Truth Social is trending. If you scroll down, you see a lot more. So you can see Trump fired TSA, which is also trending. You can write about that. Okay, now for me, I'm going to write about let me see. Okay, so let me take this 30 minutes ago. So this is trending 30 minutes ago. It is Acon stock. So I'm going to write about Acon stock. So before I write this, right now I know what I'm going to write about. So I'm going to go to Perplexity. Then I'm going to ask Perplexity to give me a little, just a little info about Acon stock. Okay, now it's here. So these are the sources we are getting the information from. These are the sources we are getting some from YouTube, one from Investopedia and Public, and so many more. And this the trend Acon stock after hours. This is what is happening to Acon stock. So this is the information we are getting here. Okay, so with the information above, now I'm going to ask Perplexity to give me a blog title from the information above, and also the targeted audience, and also the search intent. Remember, the blog title, the targeted audience, and the search intent. Okay, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT from the data above. Give me a blog title. Give me a blog title. Targeted audience. And the search intent for this Acon stock. Okay, so once you hit enter, Perplexity is going to give you everything that we are going to write about here, the topic, the title, the targeted audience, the people who are interested in the Acon stock, and the search intent of the Acon stock. Okay, so now you copy the title here. Okay, you copy the title here, then we come to our ChatGPT where we paste our prompt. Then as you read through the prompt, you are going to see a place where I'm going to say insert topic here. So here I'm going to put my topic here. Okay, now if you read through again, you're going to see targeting. So here where you see the targeting, you're going to put your targeted audience there. So I'm going to highlight this, then go to Perplexity back, then copy my targeted audience for Acon stock, then paste it in here. Okay, so now my targeted audience is in there. Now as you scroll down, you're going to see this tone of voice, but I suggest you delete this from there. I'll tell you why in a minute. So because I'm not going to give you this tone of voice, this is my personal tone of voice, I'm not going to share it in the description. That's why I'm saying get it rid from there. So as for me, I have my tone of voice, so I'm just going to highlight this, then go back to my Google document, then search for my tone of voice and copy it and put it there. Okay, so now I've pasted my tone of voice. Since you don't have, that's why I'm saying get it rid from there, and it won't have any impact on the article I'm going to write. The article is going to be as refreshed as new, with a very good what do you call it, a very good structure. Okay, so once you've done that, the last thing you have to do here is the search intent, which is here. The last thing you're going to put in here, fill in here, is the search intent. So you highlight, go back to Perplexity, then you copy the search intent from here. Okay, the search intent, copy it from here, then you paste it in here. Okay, so now that we are done, we are not going to click on this here. Remember, I said we are not going to use ChatGPT to create this article. We are going to use DeepSeek. So now we are going to copy everything from here down to the bottom, sorry, from top to the bottom, then you are going to paste it in DeepSeek. So now we have two features here we can use to write article. We have the deep thinking, or deep think, or the web search. But most of the time, using the web search is going to delay your time, because a lot of people are using this new feature here. So I suggest you use the deep think, then you click on enter. Now let's wait for the DeepSeek AI to do its magic. So now it is thinking about what it's going to write, then he's going to make the article for you, very nice and structured. so that it can rank on Google, and you're going to get traffic. And once you get traffic, that's where the money comes in. Okay, so let's wait for the AI to write the article for us, then we move to the next thing we are going to do in order to make money with this DeepSeek AI. Okay, so I'll skip forward, then we'll continue from there. Okay, so now DeepSeek is done writing our article for us, so let's look at how the article looks like. So if you have a blog, it has already generated the meta description for you. Those who are into blogging will know this meta description. But if you don't have a blog, which I'm going to show you, the way we are going to publish this article and make money from it, so stay tuned, don't cut this video, just watch through to the end. Okay, so if you look, if you have the H1, you have the AI has structured everything for you so that you don't get confused with which one is the H1, which one is A2, which one is A3, and whatever. Okay, so now that we have our article, the next thing you have to do is copy the article and publish the article so that we can get our money. So if you have a blog like I do, you just have to copy the article. Okay, so the article I'll copy from the H2 here. First I'll copy the H1 here. This is the H1. Copy the H1 here. Then if I come to my website, this is my website. As you can see, I'm getting this 1K traffic today as at the time of recording. So if I click on new post here and I put in this is my H1 here. This is my H1. So I'll highlight this. Okay, if you have a website, you know what you will do. And make sure that then this is H1 here. Okay, so then I'm gonna copy the rest and paste it in here. Okay, so what is it? DeepSeek. Okay, so now I'll start from the H2. Let me add it to you so that it will make it easier for me to when I'm editing my articles. Okay, so let me copy everything to here to final call to action. Okay, so here that's where the article and the rest are not necessarily in this video. Okay, so let me paste my article here. So this is my article, it's being pasted here. So the next thing I have to do is to edit this article. Okay, so we have the two ways you can edit this article. You can edit it on your website, or you can edit it in Google documents, then later copy it and paste it here. But since you might not have a website, I'm going to show you where you can publish this article and make money. So we are going to publish the article on a site or a forum called Medium. So if you come to Medium, as you can see, I have an article here. I've been writing here, but it's not continuously or consistently because I have my own website. So I usually post here once in a blue moon. Okay, so if I come to here and come to my stats, you can see that from the January 1st to 30th, I haven't written anything here, I haven't posted anything here. Okay, so and these are the previous articles that have been posted. I've posted it here. These are the previous articles I have posted on Medium. And as you can see, these have gotten 9 views with 4 reads. These have gotten 3 views, 2 views, 1 view, 0 reads. And if you write a very good article, you're always going to get readers like I have gotten here. Okay, so I published this article on 26 January 2024. It's been a while. Okay, but I'm going to show you how you can make money here. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to sign up in Medium for free. You have the paid option, but we are going to sign up for free. So once you sign up for free, making money from this Medium app, you have to paste our article or post our article here. So once you've registered, you come to the right section of the back end of where you are going to post your articles here. Then you click on the right here. So once you click on right, then you put in your title. So if I come here, where is it? DeepSeek. If I come to DeepSeek, coming to DeepSeek, the H1 becomes my title here. So let me copy it. Okay, it's my title and post it here. Okay, now once my title is being posted or pasted, then my story will follow. So now I'm going to copy the rest from H2 here downwards, H2 here. Okay, remember we are not adding the embedded links and the alt images and what have you. So yeah, this one here. Okay, let me copy all you paste it here where it says story. So once it's done, now it's time to edit the article, because as you can see it's not well structured, so you have to edit the article before you publish the article. Okay, so if I come here, I can just delete where these points are so that the article will be well structured and well organized. So now you take time, then you edit everything here. After you have done editing here, now you click on the publish button here. Okay, so here it says add a topic, so you can copy the same topic and paste it here, or you can just put in something like icon stock here, then you publish the article from here. And you can also add images and infographics to make the article unique. Yes, I don't want to waste much time here, so I'm just going to do this particular, then we move on. Okay, so once I click on publish, then you can see publishing story here. So my story is being published. Now how do we make money from the story that we have been published on Medium? So now you click on your profile, you come where it says start, you click on the profile, you come where it says start. So once you click on start, you can see that you have applied to partner program. Okay, so before you can make money from Medium, just by publishing your own articles on Medium, you have to apply for their partner program. If you don't have a website, this is what you must do. But if you have a website, I suggest you post it on your own website, then apply for Google AdSense rather. Okay, so you click on apply for Medium partner program, then you click here to apply. So now here you're going to select your country. So as I said, I'm in Ghana. You can fill in or choose any country you want or where you are from. Okay, now as you can see, I have published article in the last 6 months. My bank account is located in this country, which it has a check mark. The only thing is not in a check mark is to become a member. So to make money, you have to click on become a member, then you choose a plan. To make money from it, you choose a plan. So I suggest you go with 5 USD per month, and you click on it. So once you become a member of Medium and subscribe to their membership, paying monthly, you can once you subscribe to their monthly membership, once you post article on Medium and you get readers, the more readers you get, the more money you make. And if you do this thing where you're going to earn tens of thousands on Medium. And yeah, this is how you can make money from DeepSeek and Medium, and also from Google Trends. So you can use DeepSeek to write the article, but first you use Perplexity to do your research. So you go to Google Trends to find your article you want to write about, use Perplexity to do the research, then you use the prompt that I'm going to leave in the description to write the article on DeepSeek, then you post it on Medium or on your website or other forms that are paying people to monetize their blog. Okay, so this is how you can make money with DeepSeek. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.